Hey everybody, it's Zane from GM-Trucks.com. I just got back from driving the all-new 2020 Silverado HD and 3-liter Duramax. We went to the beautiful state of Oregon, as you can see here, and as part of my trip, I had a chance to talk with Brian Izard, who is the lead exterior vehicle designer for the all-new Silverado HD.
First I want to talk about how the fact that we really work to separate the light duty and heavy duty from each other. Our heavy duty customers said that they want a heavy duty truck to look unique. And that's not just our customers, all heavy duty customers said they want to make sure their truck is unique compared to the light duty offering. And so you can see between this heavy duty here and behind you, we've got a light duty that we really push to make them more unique. And in fact, this heavy duty truck only shares the roof. It's the only sheet metal shared with the light duty. With a heavy-duty truck, too, you really start with the powertrain and with the engine, and this front end is 4 inches longer and sits taller than the light duty. And what that does is really accommodates the large powertrain, whether it's the 6.6 gas or the 6.6 diesel. And the other thing we want to do is make sure that the design language is different between the two. So you'll see some lines that are similar, like this line on the headlight. It's similar on both vehicles. But on the light duty, where it comes in, it's very expressive and dynamic. It's more purposeful and chiseled on the heavy duty. So when we start with the vehicle, the heavy duty truck, we always start with the grill, because you have to make sure you can cool this power plant to get all 35,500 pounds of towing out of the engine, and make sure it cools every time you want to use it. So every square millimeter of that open area is there to cool the engine. And what it does is it really is a lot larger than a former truck, and it pushes lamps all the way to the corners. And it's now stacked to make sure that it illuminates the road, and also allows for all the engine cooling, and go down to the bumper. What you'll find as we continue to make, as this truck is bigger and more powerful, that every square millimeter is designed for the customer to make it more usable. So this lower skid plate is actually removable. What we did is we actually worked with several manufacturers to get a lot of data on snowplows. So for our cold climate customers, you're going to bolt this, and actually the screws are here forward facing so you can see them. And what that means is we can pull off the skid plate, pull off this air dam, and for most of our customers, they can attach the snowplow without having to cut any sheet metal or any of the Class A plastic, and it bolts right on. That design engineering, design philosophy comes around to the side where we have our heater plug cord for the diesel, and you can also get it for the gas motor. And it's right here on the side, so it's easy to use. You don't have to open up your hood and have a cord dangling out anymore. It's right here on the side, so if you have a snowplow up front, you can still easily access it. That's a big deal for these customers.
Does that come standard? If you get the plug, does it have a cord that you can plug into it?
Yes, there is a cord that comes with it. It's a spring-loaded cap, so it's sealed off nicely. And that ties in nicely also to these wheel moldings, which are new for 2020. It's something that our customers ask for. It's something that's just delineates this thing being rugged and tough. It even comes around to the back of the wheel, and you'll see there's a jog in here. It almost looks like a superfluous, but it's not. What that does is we re-engineered these mud flaps, so they're actually pulled from the top. So you see they're sealed in the front. You're not going to have to clean out your mud flaps when you go off-roading, or if you're on a work site. And that's something where every line on this truck's purposeful. That extends up to the side of the truck. So this belt line, or the bottom of the window, is about an inch lower than the light duty. And what that means is the truck got taller and bigger, it's easier to see out of. And the mirrors are completely different from any other heavy-duty truck. And what we did is we mounted to the body side, and you no longer have posts coming from the forward part of the window into the mirror. So not only has the mirrors gotten bigger and it's better for rearward visibility, you also have much better forward visibility. As you drive this truck, as you're pulling a trailer, you can also know where the front of the vehicle is, whether you have a plow in the front, you're navigating a campsite, you're navigating a work site. We will make sure that the truck's so much easier to use. The body side's a very clean body side, so that if you have if you're a municipality or if you have a landscaping company, you've got a spot on the side that you can add your graphic. And also what that does is that there's no lines in there on the body side, so you have this dark, deep chamfer underneath. And it really helps bring the vehicle taller off the ground and more capable. It ties right into the bed step. And this bed step is on every truck, every trim, every box configuration. And that extends from where we've had the corner step on the bumper for years. And our customers love it. We've had several customers tell us they only buy our trucks because if you get a box full of mulch or a box full of, a big load, it's the only vehicle that with the tailgate down, that you can get in and out easily. We extended that to the side with a dock step, with a bed step, so that you can get in and out, if you have a fifth wheel trailer or a gooseneck in the back, or if you're just coming right out of the cab, you can easily get in and out of the box. So we made sure that as the truck got bigger, powerful, it also made it a lot easier to use. Can you put the tailgate down? So the details even extend all the way down to even designing drain holes here, so that every little piece fits into everything else. They all go together.